Diving deep. Understanding, down in the trenches. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're exploring an interesting and vivid expression, down in the trenches. This phrase packs a lot of history and imagery, and it's used in various contexts in modern English. Stay tuned as we dive deep into its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. The term, down in the trenches, originally comes from military language. During World War I and II, soldiers fought in long, narrow pits or ditches called trenches. These trenches were often muddy, uncomfortable, and dangerous places to be. Being down in the trenches meant you were right at the heart of the battle, experiencing the toughest conditions and facing challenges head-on. Today, the phrase is used metaphorically to describe someone working hard in the most challenging or basic aspects of a field or activity. It suggests being deeply involved in the nitty-gritty, doing the hard work that's often unseen or unacknowledged but crucial for success. When someone says they're down in the trenches, they mean they're engaged in the hard, day-to-day work, rather than strategizing or giving orders from a distance. In business, the startup founder was down in the trenches with her team, coding late into the night to meet their launch deadline. In education, great teachers are often down in the trenches, finding innovative ways to engage each student. In social work, social workers are truly down in the trenches, dealing with society's most pressing issues on a daily basis. This phrase is perfect for situations where you want to emphasize hands-on, hard work or deep involvement in challenging tasks. It's a respectful nod to someone's dedication and perseverance, acknowledging the tough grind rather than just the glamorous outcomes. You can use it to talk about yourself or to appreciate others' efforts. Down in the trenches is a powerful expression that connects the past with the present, bringing images of battlefield hardships to describe today's work ethic and dedication. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Whether you're literally or metaphorically in the trenches, remember that it's your hard work and dedication that make the difference. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.